Hello friends, welcome to this video. Now in this video, we'll be seeing the last type of line chart which is known as 100% stake line chart. So let us see how we can create this 100% stake line chart. So here I'm in the sheet that is known as 100% stake line chart. So first of all, let us understand what do you mean by 100% stake line chart. So 100% stake line chart shows the percentage contribution of each data series over time. So it is similar to our 100% stake column chart and 100% stake bar chart, but here we are able to see the series. We are using the continuous data here. It says here that the vertical axis always totals 100%. Each point represents the relative share, not the actual value. So it is showing you the share of that particular line, not the actual value. Example, if three products contribute differently to monthly sales, the chart shows the proportion of each product in each month. So for every month, what is the contribution of each of the product, that we can see very well over here. What are the uses? When comparing the relative proportions over time, useful when totals vary widely between the periods, and it is good for visualizing market share, category mix, or percentage breakdown. So these are the various use cases of 100% stake line chart. Now we go for the advantages. So it shows changing proportions very clearly. It removes the distortion caused by varying totals, and it is good for comparing the category shares over time. What are the disadvantages? There are actual values which are hidden. So we don't see the actual values, we see the proportion only. Changes may appear exaggerated due to normalization, and it is hard to read if many series exist. If we are having 3, 4 or 5, 6 series, then it is difficult to read the data here. Here we are able to see the advantages and disadvantages and the uses of the stake line chart or the 100% stake line chart. Now let us practically create this particular chart. So I select this whole table, then I go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, I click this line button here. In the line button, I will go for this option, which is known as 100% stake line chart. So now here you can see that this is my 100% stake line chart, and now here I can see that what is the contribution of each of the product in the overall sales. So in case of January, the percentage contribution which is given by product A, it is around 45%. Then for product B, it is around 35%, and the last product C, its contribution in January is around 20 to 25% approximately. So here the overall percentage here, it is 100% in vertical axis. So here we can see for every month. Yeah, here I cannot compare the actual values, but here I can see the proportions. So this is what we mean by the 100% stake line chart. Now in the next video, we'll be going for the new chart which is known as area chart. Okay, area chart and line chart, they are almost similar but having some different layout. So let us see practically in the next video how to create the area chart. Till then, thank you very much.